everyone. Today we're going to be learning about the writing component of the FSA, which is the Florida Standards Assessment. You, as 4th and 5th grade students, will be taking this portion of the FSA in the next month, and we'd like to share some information and practice with you. I have sent you some articles that you're going to need, so please make sure that you have downloaded them and either printed them or can access them for a learning opportunity. If you need to do that now, please pause this recording, and you can resume once you have what you need. Let's talk first about attacking the prompt. Attacking the prompt, meaning you fully understand the prompt, is a big step in improving your essay. Make sure you're paying attention to this because your learning guide may want to hear more about this from you. The first thing you do when you get to your writing test is attack the prompt. You need to read the prompt to understand the purpose, the writing task, and the audience to whom you're writing. Let's break it down. The purpose is the type of essay you're writing. You'll be writing either an opinion piece or an explanatory informative piece. We'll talk more about those in a few seconds. Your next thought should be about the writing task. What are you writing about? Read the prompt carefully because you could be given more than one task. You need to make sure you address everything you're asked in your essay. And lastly, consider your audience. Some prompts will direct you that you're writing for a friend or a principal. If you're not given a specific audience, simply write as though you're writing to us. You need to write to us as if we don't know anything about the topic because we may not have the same information or have been given the same passages that you have. What type of essay will you write? Your essay will be one of the following types. You may have an informative or explanatory essay. This essay will inform or explain something to me or whomever your supposed audience is. This type of essay is going to require details and facts from the passages that you're given. You're going to need to cite information in this type of essay. If you look at the passages in the prompt that I sent you, you'll see that it's for an opinion piece. However, we're going to look at it differently. Let's say that this essay prompt was informative and looking at facts for an essay. You could write something like this. In source 3, paragraph 19, it states that, quotation marks, swimming is one of the best exercises for keeping healthy and fit. Swimming makes the heart stronger, helps the blood travel through the body better, and develops muscles, end quotation marks. The other prompt type is an opinion essay. This prompt focuses on your opinion about a specific topic. This type of essay would include evidence that supports your opinion. Your sentence structure may be something like this. I believe swimming is the best exercise because it makes your heart stronger and develops muscles. Let's practice and look at this prompt. What are you being asked to write about? Write an essay in which you give your opinion about whether technology should be used all the time. Use information from the passage in your essay. Ask yourself these questions. What kind of essay do I have to write? You have to write an opinion. What am I supposed to write about? You're supposed to write about whether technology should be used all the time. And who is my audience? The prompt didn't specify an audience, so you should assume that you're going to write to me, your teacher. Don't be afraid to write on your paper. Read the prompt to determine the type. Circle or underline it to keep your attention focused on that. What is this about? Whether technology should be used all the time. Go ahead and note that part too. Marking the prompt allows you to bring your eyes back up to the prompt for a quick glance to see what's important. The student here noted that there was no audience. Remember, if no audience is given, write to me, your teacher. Let's try another one. Write an essay to your class in which you give your opinion about the importance of allowing animals to be free. Use information from the articles in your essay. You see that the audience is your class. You're also told it's an opinion piece. And what are you writing about? That's right, the importance of allowing animals to be free. How about this one? Let's read the prompt together. Write an essay to the principal that explains the importance of recycling in school. Who is the audience? What type of prompt is it? Are you giving information or your opinion? Did you attack the prompt correctly? It's an explanatory essay. See the key word? Explain. You're writing to the principal, and what's your essay about? You're explaining the importance of the recycling in schools. Now, you're going to read and write an essay on your own. Attack the prompt and answer the vital questions before you begin. Write on your test paper, circle, underline, whatever helps you remember the information you have to write about. Follow the instructions and make sure you include everything they're asking for. You should practice on the lined paper that's provided at the end of the prompt I mailed. It's very important that you know that you must keep your writing within that box. Your paper is going to be scanned, and the computer will only be able to see what's in the box, so don't carry words outside of the shape. It's also important on this test that you spell correctly and use correct grammar and punctuation, because that will also be a portion of the essay's grade. You will have 90 minutes to complete the essay, but can take up to 120 minutes to finish if you need that time. We really want you to find a quiet spot and set a timer for 90 minutes right now. In that time, you need to read the prompt and the passages, plan your response, write your response, and then finally reread, revise, and edit your essay. This should be done totally by yourself. Don't ask anyone about spelling or punctuation or how a sentence sounds. Give it your very best effort. And when you've finished, we'd love to read it and give you some feedback. Please scan it and send it to us. We're very excited to see your writing. Now, take a deep breath and get started. Good luck writing. You're going to do great.